Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to highlight odd and even numbers in Excel. Have you ever needed to quickly identify odd and even numbers in a large dataset? Well, Excel's conditional formatting makes it super easy. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of highlighting odd and even numbers in your Excel spreadsheets. We'll cover different methods, including using the mod function, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to Roam Tech for more Excel tips and tricks.
Now, let's get started.
Okay, so first, let's open up our Excel sheet. I've created a simple list of numbers here that we're going to work with. The goal is to highlight all the odd numbers in one color and all the even numbers in another. The easiest way to do this is with conditional formatting and the mod function. The mod function returns the remainder after a number is divided by another. So mod number 2 will return 0 if the number is even, because there's no remainder when divided by 2, and 1 if the number is odd. Here's how. 1. Select the range asterisk first. Select the range of cells containing the numbers you want to highlight. In my case, it's cells A1 through A10. 2. Open conditional formatting asterisk, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Click on Conditional Formatting in the Styles group. 3. Create a new rule asterisk in the drop-down menu, select New Rule. 4. Use a formula asterisk in the New Formatting Rule dialog box. Choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. 5. Enter the formula. For even numbers in the formula box, type in equals mod, A1, 2, equals 0. It's important that A1 is the first cell in your selected range. Excel will automatically adjust this formula for each cell in the range. 6. Format the cells asterisk, click on the Format button. Choose the Fill tab and select a color for even numbers. Let's go with light green. Click OK twice to close the formatting dialog boxes. Now, you should see all the even numbers in your selected range highlighted in light green. Next, let's highlight the odd numbers. We'll repeat the process. 1. Select the range asterisk again. Select the same range of cells, A1 through A10. 2. Open conditional formatting asterisk, go to Home Conditional Formatting New Rule. 3. Use a formula asterisk, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. 4. Enter the formula, for odd numbers this time, in the formula box, type in equals mod, A1 2 equals 1. 5. Format the cells asterisk, click on the Format button. Choose the Fill tab and select a different color for odd numbers. Let's use light blue. Click OK twice. And there you have it. All the odd numbers are now highlighted in light blue. You can easily see the difference between even and odd numbers in your data. Now, let's quickly go through another method. Instead of typing the formula directly into New Formatting Rule, you can achieve the same result using predefined rules. 1. Select the range of cells containing the numbers. 2. Go to Home Conditional Formatting New Rule. 3. Select Format only cells that contain. 4. Change the first drop-down menu to Specific Text, and the second to Containing. 5. This method won't work and you need to use the formula-based approach explained earlier. 6. Press Cancel. Okay, so that's how you can highlight odd and even numbers in Excel. It's a simple but powerful technique that can save you time and make your data much easier to analyze. Remember, you can adjust the colors to whatever suits your preference. Also, this method works dynamically. If you change any of the numbers in your range, the highlighting will automatically update based on whether the new number is odd or even. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tech for more Excel tutorials. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching.